All right, so today we're going to install a Tyger Bullbar on a 2014 Ford Explorer that doesn't have anything on. I'm just going to highlight the most important things and move on from next. I didn't find anything online that actually showed it, so I'm going to try to capture it for you guys. This is it right here, set up. I got my little setup on there. The instructions. The unboxing is pretty cool. It came in this box here. It came all pretty well done. That's the actual bull bar there. I counted all the parts, make sure everything is together, the instructions. Of course, first things first, make sure you read the instructions and you understand what you need to do. I'm going to start on the driver's side by following the instructions for setting up the brackets for the bull bar. All right, so step one was actually finding this hole right here and this little section right here. This is on the driver's side of the truck. There is a couple little spider webs. I don't know if you guys can see that, so I want to go ahead and brush that little clean too, just to clean the area that I'm going to be working at, giving them away there. And then these are the pieces that I'm going to be putting in that. So these are the two little pieces. This one little piece is going to go in there. I'm assuming like this, kind of like hanging in there like this here, I would assume like that. And then this other piece is going to have to go in here. So wait, I'm going to have to go like this, put that in there like that, where it goes like that. And then this piece like that. All right, so I'm going to verify that that's it and come back. That part was done right. So you see over here underneath the car, I just took the picture. So that round part goes towards the front. That piece goes like that in this direction, this way. Okay, so the next thing now is doing this piece here, which is installing the driver's side one. It's easy to find because one has a D, the other one has a P. So passenger and driver, pretty simple. So this piece is in, and make sure that you have the washer, the lock nut, and then the actual bolt in that direction there. The other one is the exact same direction there. And you know, I'm not tightening it yet because I want to give it a little bit of play so that I can work on the centering when I go to put the bull bar on. But the driver's side is on. It wasn't too complicated to do at all. So that's what we got. Next step now is adding the actual thing that's going to hook the bull bar to the car. That's these pieces here. These pieces go with the 10mm bolts and the washer and the actual lock nut to that piece there, and that's going to go on the piece that's already set up here in the car. Now this particular vehicle did not have the additional flashing that would go there. Normally it would have a flashing, or not normally, in some of you cars on the maybe the Sport or whatever have a flashing here. You're gonna have to actually cut a little hole for this here, but this one doesn't have to have any cutting done whatsoever. All right, so that piece is on, that piece is on. I still have the play in and out to be able to actually adjust for the bull bars, and that piece is going on in a few seconds. Completed. It adds an entirely different, amazing look to the vehicle. I know you can see it right here. It looks really cool. I can't tell you how pleased I am with this this product from Tyger. Check it out. Tyger, you did it yourself out on this product. Super awesome product. Super strong. I will show you guys something in a second. Here's my dad's, and it's 200 pounds on it. Dad, stand up on it. Párate. There you go. Look at it. It's pretty solid. You saw the whole car moving, right? It was pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. Look at that. All right. Awesome job. Awesome job, Tyger. As far as the wrenches and everything that you needed, I used some 18mm, 17mm, 16mm for the smaller connections to the actual bull bar. I think it was 13mm as far as that, the wrenches that you needed. I used the sockets for that, and it was simple. It took me about 45 minutes total to put it on, including reading the instructions. Don't forget to read the instructions. Don't forget to put on your safety glasses and gloves to do this. Take care. Peace.